same brand. So it's already open because I tried it. And record the record launcher. So here's Impact Drake. Look, so it's what. So let's test spin it in the new stadium I bought. That's my baby sister, by the way. And let's try it. 3, 2, 1, reverse. So it's a tap type and rubber. Oh, it's so hot. But this red is rubber, so you can spin still it. But this is my first favorite X-Bay. And let's try it to a battle. I'm gonna grab the baby first. So here it is. This is fake, and it's Impact Drake. No, it's Jane Fafnir. So let's battle it. It will launch it, bro. Bro is not addicted to. Yo, it broke. What the heck? It broke, guys. So if you enjoy my videos, so watch them.